I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello, future university scholars. In this video, I will explain how to make Notion for University, providing a full guide to optimize your academic journey. We'll dive into setting up a powerful workspace that centralizes all your academic information. You'll learn to customize dashboards to perfectly match your unique study habits and course load. This guide will help you transform your university experience, making organization seamless and stress-free. Get ready to boost your productivity and stay on top of everything with Notion. To begin, establish a main dashboard as your central command center. This dashboard will provide quick access to all your essential academic pages. Next, link separate databases for your courses, assignments, and notes, ensuring everything is interconnected. You can also leverage Notion's extensive template gallery to jumpstart your setup, saving you valuable time. Consider adding a quick capture inbox for fleeting thoughts or tasks, ensuring no idea is lost. This foundational setup is crucial for an organized academic year. For effective course management, design a dedicated course database. Include properties such as course name, professor, status, and relevant files. Then, create a separate linked assignments database to meticulously track all your deadlines and tasks. This allows you to see assignments associated with specific courses. Integrate a calendar view to visualize your entire academic schedule, ensuring you never miss an important date. This system provides a clear overview of your workload, helping you prioritize effectively. Finally, develop a robust system for organized and easily searchable notes. Utilize features like toggle lists to hide and reveal detailed information, keeping your pages clean. Link pages together to create a web of interconnected knowledge, making research and review much simpler. Furthermore, create a dedicated study planner within Notion to schedule your exam preparation. This comprehensive approach ensures your notes are not just stored, but actively used as powerful study tools, leading to greater academic success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.